Two children in Kentucky have died from whooping cough in the last 6 months. State health officials confirmed the deaths today. These are the first whooping cough related deaths in Kentucky since 2018. Neither the infants nor their mothers had received the recommended immunizations during pregnancy or infancy. Whooping cough is a very contagious respiratory illness. Symptoms of whooping cough can vary, but typically begin with a runny or congested nose and mild coughing. After 1 to 2 weeks, that cough can progress to rapid, violent coughing fits that can cause a whooping sound, vomiting, or labored breathing. Officials urge anyone exposed to the virus to see a doctor.